So to set up your debugging, what you're going to want to do is add a little breakpoint next to print. And I'm just clicking right here. And a breakpoint basically will stop the execution of the code, or it pauses the execution. And then you're going to want to press F5 to get this debug configuration. This displays the very first time you are debugging. If you have a laptop, you'll probably have to press FN while you're pressing F5. And we are just going to select Python file debug. Okay, and then we see the different debug commands, and these are similar to what you saw in JavaScript. We can run, we can step over, which basically skips that. Step into goes through in this case, it's a little function, goes through the code. Step out goes below the code. Okay? And we don't have a whole lot here to debug, but I'm just going to go ahead and continue. And then you'll see the little message print out. So again, I am on a laptop, so I have FN, F5, then that allows me to select the type of debug I want. I'm going to pick the first one, and I get the little debug menu. And then to remove the breakpoint, all you do is right click and you can remove it. You'll notice you can also disable it and you can edit. This is very similar to what we did in our JavaScript course.